Hello guys, it's Saturday afternoon. Yesterday, as you probably know, I put it on my Instagram story. I was having dinner with my family and I got a call really late on the night. I get back home 2 o'clock. By the time that I went to bed, it was 2:30. I said, well, I'm gonna sleep until noon probably, you know. It was a long day, 20 hours day yesterday. 8 o'clock, they woke me up this morning with 2 service calls. One of them, it was a residential with no AC. I couldn't shot any videos. It was, you know, it was a person that knows the company, is a friend of us, so I didn't want to shoot a video there. The second one, it was in Woodstock. This is one of the freezers. I didn't want to shoot another video of that. That's an old equipment. We've been having problems over the years. So I get home, I did some shopping because tomorrow is my son's birthday. Hamburgers, you know, hot dogs and all that stuff. And as soon as I park in my house, I got another call. This one is in Hopewell Junction. Sorry, my English suck. They lost the AC. According to them, the thermostat is completely blank. So I hope it's not a breaker trip, because if it is, it's probably a major issue. I don't want to find a thermostat out of the base, you know, that would be even worse. It's gonna be about 40 minutes to get there. Let's see what happens. Sorry guys, because it takes me long. I always try to shoot a video of something that is interesting, you know. I don't want to just shoot videos like freaking crazy, you know, all the time. Let's see what happens. Thank you for your patience again, and thank you for your support like always. I just spoke to the manager and she reset the breakers for the rooftops. One rooftop that the thermostat is blank. They're train rooftops and train thermostats. More likely it's a power issue. I asked them if they had power outages or storms lately, or probably last night. He says no, everything was normal. So our unit is number 2. This one is not, because this one is running. This one is. Okay. I hate those train thermostats. I'll show you in a minute. Let's see what we got. Yeah, definitely there is no power in my board. Transformer is warm, but probably because it's outside. Well, let's go for the obvious. Let's check the transformer. Let's see if we got power in the transformer. We got no power in the secondary. See if we got power in the primary. We got power in the primary, which is a bad transformer. Yeah, 210. Dead. Alright, it's just a transformer. It's a good thing. Alright, let's go get it. Once in a while it's good to have this kind of call. Sadly, I was coming from Woodstock. I get home and then they gave me the call. It would be good to have the call in Woodstock and then have this one, so I don't have to go all the way back home and then all the way back here, but it is what it is. Well, now that I'm thinking, maybe it's not only the transformer. Something killed the transformer probably, so it's better be careful with that. Probably we have an issue somewhere in the low voltage. I don't want to burn another transformer. Sorry about my truck. It's a mess. All right. I've been doing some installs lately and it's a kind of a mess. We don't need a 75. I would like to have one with the breaker if it's possible. 75, this is a big ass transformer. You got a breaker, so that's a good thing. Well, 75 goes. I would like to have a 40. Kind of a big, but anyways. You got a breaker, so that's a safety thing that all transformers should have. I know these trains, when they have low voltage shorts, they're a pain in the ass. I hope it's not the case. I don't like this roof. Most of the time it's full of bees. I'm lucky today. Alright. Make sure that we got power. Always double check. I need to come back home in one piece. Okay. Yeah, actually it smells. Smell like burn. Alright. This one is a way bigger transformer, but good quality. I always like to put the date of installation in every piece I put in a unit, just to keep tracking of it. Like I say, it's a bigger transformer, but you got a bigger capacity. It's better play safe. 3.7 amp in low voltage breaker. Alright, low voltage is tied in. I mean, if this is the whole problem, it's just awesome, because I'm really tired. I just want to go home. I got a couple of steaks to do. So it would be awesome if we have just this problem. Alright. It didn't trip, so that's a good thing. We got power in the board. So let's wait for a little bit and see what happens. She's gonna call for cooling or something in a minute. Actually, we can test it out right over here. There we go. That's the blower. That's the blower. Let's check the blower. I don't know, something sounds funny. Alright, let's check the blower. Okay. Back together. Let's wait for the compressor. I can hear a noise coming from over here, like a chirping. What the heck? Here we go. I knew it. I knew I can hear something. Look at that. It was touching right over here. I knew I can hear something. Alright. Good thing we catch it. Let's do some repairs. Can you imagine if I just turn the unit on and I leave? They will call probably 20 minutes later saying that the unit is down again. That's why it's so important to stay. Make sure that everything is good. Most of the time trains, when they got shorts, are really difficult to find. I mean, I can find a short in a carrier easy because they're always in the same spots. But trains, I don't know why they're so difficult. You have to be so careful, you know, sometimes. Look at this. This is the transformer I put in. Look how close are the coil for this relay. This is one, and this is the other one. See it? It's really close to the transformer. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna move this relay up and this relay up so it's away from the transformer. We don't need another callback or another service on this. Move it out. It's always good to take a little bit of time and make sure that everything is good. Alright, now I move this relay up, this one too, so now I got a big gap in between the contacts of the coil of the relay, so we're safe. You know, yeah, I don't want any problems. You know, one day, who knows, somebody can probably push at the transformer by mistake, and it can damage the coil of the relay or something else. So, all right, now I feel better, and now I feel good. Let's go home. I just got one thing in my mind right now, and it's steaks. Check the sensor. Thermostat number 2, cooling fan on. That's the one for the other side. So the one that we're looking for.
No, we're fine. You don't even have to apologize.
Thermostat, it got power again because we replaced the transformer, of course. So everything is back to normal. Freaking thing, man. It was pretty easy. Long time I don't replace one. Most of the transformers lately they come with the breaker, so but that one is an old transformer, so first chance it just took a crap. So you know, last night, like I said, I got a long day. Not last night, yesterday it was a 20 hours day, long day. I was so tired after the my previous call in Woodstock. I signed out and I fall asleep in the freaking parking lot. Then I was driving home and then they called me for the service. But anyways, everything is up and running, everything is good. I hope they don't call me anymore. I just gonna go home and get the steaks done for my kids. I got my father-in-law also at home and he loves steaks, so perfect combination. Thank you for your patience again. for waiting for me for my videos. I know it takes a long time, but I don't want to shoot videos like crazy shit. You know, I try to take some time to do a nice thing and something that you can enjoy, you know. Anyways, thank you guys.